Hey guys, so earlier, ang video ko, it's about the crab apples. Maliliit sila, they're almost like cherries. Tapos this time, we're gonna go with the medium ones, or medyo mas malaki siya compared to. Pero as you notice, may green pa siya dutay. So, matry ta. Because they will get ripe. This is mine. Ah, yan yung aking machine. Sorry, this is yours. So, mag-try ta. But if you see, mag-green pa siya, no?
Masarap siya.
Oo. So, according to our evaluator, Geraldine Kampugan, tamis na siya kuno. So, kwaunta lang ang may red. So, this is like straight from the apple tree, you guys. Kabudlay labuton, kabudlay mag-video, at the same time, kuha sang mansanas. So, what we're gonna do is just try harder. Oh my god. Ah, sige, hindi pa na siya. Pag hindi nagpapilit na kunin, ibig sabihin hindi mo pa siya pwedeng kunin. It's not ripe for the taking. Pero lagko na siya, guys. Oh, tanawa bala. Nan. Diba? So perfect. So maybe we'll try this one, yung may mapula-pula. Hindi pa gid siya, hindi siya magpakwa. Hindi siya magpakwa, meaning wag mong pilitin.